Hello everyone and welcome back to the Railway Shed, and welcome to a new year. 2023 may have passed, but 2024 holds in store so many more videos than you could ever imagine. From reviews to running sessions to out of the shed and many more videos to come. Stay tuned, for this year will be a lot better than the last. So, without further ado, let's see what this channel wants to achieve in 2024. Over the past few months, this channel has made various reviews on model engines. This is something I really enjoy producing and would like to make more of. Coming soon will be reviews of the Midlander train set by Triang Hornby, as well as individual reviews on engines like this Caledonian single. I will continue to adhere to my previously stated review scale and see if we can get an engine higher than a 13 this year. Reviews of engines, train sets and so much more should be coming out on Wednesdays of every week. The first one, this Wednesday of the time of uploading, being the Midlander train set. As I have noticed, it seems a great deal of my viewers enjoy my content on Thomas the Tank Engine and his many friends. For this, I will start producing more Thomas content in the new year, probably releasing round on Mondays. What these will be thus far, I'm still conflicted on. Would you like me to do more reviews on the engines, DVD collections, reviews on different of Thomas merchandise? I'd love for you all to let me know so I can show you guys what you want to see. And last but certainly not least, I would love to start showing you the work I've done on my new layout. This is just a brief view. Updates on the layout should come every Friday or so, the first one being released by the end of this week. Whether it be about how I make scenery, how I've built so far, or otherwise. And last but certainly not least, I'd like to wish you all a happy new year. This past few months of the channel have been so amazing, and I'm so glad that I'm as popular as I am, though I'm still small. For this year, I know this seems a bit short-sighted, but I'd love to reach at least 500 subscribers by the end of the year, and be able to make more content. To leave you off, I'll give you some footage of the Midlander running, and you will see a full in-depth review of this engine next Wednesday, or the Wednesday coming, however you decide to predict it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.